Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be pulling the oil catch can off of my 2004 Chevy Tahoe and seeing if it actually works or not. Also, in this video guys, I will be going over the purpose of an oil catch can and why you would want one and what benefit you would gain from installing one on your car, truck, SUV, even if it's just a cheap $25 one. But first guys, I need to run inside and grab some tools real fast if you want to follow me, and then we'll go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, we have everything we need now in order to take the oil catch can off. All I need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet in order to pull it off. Yours may be different depending on what type of oil catch can you have, or how you mounted it, or if you broke the bracket. I accidentally broke the bracket on mine, so I had to make a custom bracket for it. And yeah, struggles of being a mechanic and tightening the things too tight. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and get to it. Also, one more thing guys, we're going to go ahead and let the truck warm up for a minute. That way the oil inside the catch can gets nice and hot so it drains properly, or drains fast as well. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, I think the truck is probably warm enough now to go ahead and pull it out and it'll drain properly. I just didn't want it to be cold while I was draining the catch can, so let's go ahead and get to it now. Alright guys, now that we got that wrapped up, we're going to go ahead and talk about the purpose of the oil catch can and some of the benefits that it offers for direct injection vehicles. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little sweet time lapse with some music. I enjoyed it and I haven't even watched it yet. That deserves like 5 thumbs up and a subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the purpose of an oil catch can is just that. It catches the oil. So a little more detail on it is basically here, let me show you. Alright, so you have your crankcase ventilation, your vacuum hose. Pretty much it's a vacuum hose. Here, let me try to turn the flashlight on. There we go. So as you can see, it goes down into the valve covers. So what it does pretty much is, they did this from the manufacturer because oil catch cans, well, like, I mean, you have to maintain them. If you have them in your vehicle, you can't just let them build up, because then eventually they will start sucking in a lot of oil. So pretty much you can, just whenever you change the oil, dump the oil catch can, put it back in. Super simple. But anyway, so what they do is essentially you have crankcase pressure buildup. And to relieve the pressure, the manufacturers decided, you know what, let's run a vacuum hose that goes from the valve cover into the intake manifold. I should have took the engine cover off for this so I could show you guys. You know what? Hold up, I will. I'm gonna take this off real fast to show you guys what I mean. You gotta take the plastic off. I'm gonna lose about 10 horsepower for this. I'm taking the plastic off, not the oil catch can. Alright, okay. Set that to the side. Alright guys, so this is what I mean. Let me turn the flashlight back on. Alright, so you have your valve cover down there. I've got the hose running into the back of it. Typically, this hose would go from the back of there all the way up to here, into your intake manifold. It sucks up oil and it puts it into your intake manifold, which is never good. That leads to carbon buildup inside your intake manifold, and poor gas mileage, loss in performance, and yeah, so pretty much the oil catch can just catches all that oil, as you've seen, and that was just like a month of driving. Pretty much that's it, guys. It catches the oil and stops it from going into your intake manifold. Super simple device. It helps a ton. It allows your vehicle to last longer, drive better, and all that oil builds up inside of this big guy that we need to port or get an aftermarket one day. We will, for sure, without a doubt. Yeah, throttle body spacer. Anyways, back to the topic. Okay, so let's go over some of the benefits of having an oil catch can, and you can decide if you want one or not. Now, you don't necessarily need one, but it will help a ton. Let me get this back on and then we'll keep going. Alright guys, so I showed you the purpose of the oil catch can, and yeah, basically the benefits are, anytime you have less carbon buildup in your engine, the better gas mileage you get and the better performance you get. Over time, that carbon buildup can really mess with your engine, so it's really good to have a oil catch can. And there's a ton of videos out there saying that, never go with a cheap oil catch can, but I literally paid $25 for that oil catch can that you guys seen off Amazon. It's a great oil catch can. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to jump on Amazon and get it. Like I said, it was like 25 bucks and that was it, and that's shipped and everything, and it works great. This is like the second time draining it, and the first time it was halfway full, so it's definitely doing its job. I have noticed an increase in power since I've installed it in the truck, for the simple fact is there's no carbon buildup. So what I suggest doing if you're gonna buy an oil catch can, like, seafoam your vehicle, treat it good. I have a video seafoaming this Tahoe as well, and I will try to leave it right here. it's super easy to seafoam your vehicle as well. But like I said, seafoam it first, you know, clean it out, run some gas cleaner through it, and then put the oil catch can on. That way, like, it's pretty clean, and then it'll just keep getting cleaner over time. Or you treat your vehicle, you know, with seafoam and treat it with, you know, Lucas cleaner. Yeah, that's it, guys. It's a super simple thing to do to your vehicle. A lot of people overlook it. And, you know, if you have a port injected vehicle, you don't want an oil catch can, you know, because the fuel being sprayed in it already cleans like the what are they called, the little valves or whatever. Also, if you have turbos or a supercharger, you definitely don't want your oil going into that, you know, that would not be good. So hope this video helps you guys. If it did, let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked it and found it entertaining as well. I am trying to grow as a creator, and there's definitely a learning curve. So, but I think I'm a lot better than what I was, you know, 20 videos ago. And it's all because I picked up the camera and started, you know. I had my doubts, you know, and my insecurities, but nonetheless I pushed through it. And I want to thank all you guys that have stuck by my side, watching my videos and liking them. We have passed our goal of 40 subscribers this month. We're at 42, so that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. And for anybody new to the channel, I make car related videos mostly. Every now and then I make other types of videos as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch me grow as a creator. I don't ever plan on stopping, no matter how bad I do. No matter how many likes or views I get, I'm going to keep going, and because I enjoy it. It's fun, you know. Sometimes it's stressful, but it's fun mostly. But yeah, guys, that's it. Like I said, I hope it helps. I can't really think of anything else to say about the oil catch can other than it's super simple to do. Link below, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.